Hi guys! We look a little bit crazy today. As we can tell, I just got out of the shower and my hair is giving wild. But I have a new hair product that I'm going to be talking to you guys about. This is by the brand American Culture Brands. They sell lots of hair products. And this one is the Magic Potion. You can also find them by the name Simply Smooth. But this is primarily used as like a treatment. This is here to just make your hair healthier, happier, and who doesn't want happier hair? Because I know I do. And it's also color safe, so as we can see, I'm not naturally blonde, and my roots are coming out, but this won't hurt the blonde color. So the directions say to apply it to wet hair and distribute with a comb. So I will be using my brush, but I think it'll be okay. And, where'd I go? Choose Simply Styling finishing product to achieve amazing results. Okay, first of all, we're gonna do a little smell test because I haven't even done that yet. Ooh, it's very like coconut vibes. Okay, but now I'm gonna actually get some and treat it as if, wait, oh, is it a spray? Okay, it's like this. So I got some. I'm kind of gonna treat it almost as like a mousse. I'm just gonna like put it all throughout my hair, like a little bit more. And I'm just gonna put it like all in my hair. Okay, so now that the product's in my hair, I am going to come back when my hair is dry and show you guys the results. Okay, so I've been letting it air dry for a little bit, and it's already, as you can see, drying so much better than it normally does. It's like there's no frizzes on the top, and it's just giving like a very natural like wave. I'll check back in when it's fully dry. Okay, and we are back. So I just brushed through my hair and look at these nice little like beachy wavy curls we have going on. My hair is so soft, smells amazing, and it really does look really healthy right now. Shop with American Culture Brands. Do it right now.